Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an activity in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. If you're managing deals, follow-ups, or meetings, activities help keep your pipeline moving, and setting one up is quick and simple. Start by going to the Activity section on the left sidebar. This is your main place for everything you need to do in Pipedrive. When you open it, you'll see a list of your upcoming and past activities. Take a moment to review what's already scheduled and what needs your attention. At the top of the page, click the plus icon to create a new activity. This opens the activity form where you'll enter the important details. Give your activity a clear subject so it's easy to recognize later. Then choose the activity type, such as call, meeting, task, or deadline, to keep everything properly organized. Next, set the due date and time so it appears correctly in your calendar. If needed, you can assign the activity to someone else on your team or keep it assigned to yourself. After that, link the activity to the right context. You can connect it to a deal, a person, or an organization. This helps keep everything organized and makes it easier to find later. You can also add notes with important details, like what you plan to discuss, your goals, or any useful context. If the timing is important, set a reminder so you don't miss it. Before saving, quickly double-check the key details like the title, type, date, time, and any links to contacts or deals. This ensures everything shows up correctly on your dashboard and calendar. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your new activity will appear in your list and be ready for you to act on. And that's it. You've successfully created an activity in Pipedrive. With this simple process, you can stay organized, keep track of your tasks, and make sure nothing gets missed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.